Question number 3, we're looking for a positive angle less than 2 pi that is coterminal with this given angle. Okay, so that means that basically the same angle, but we can see 49 pi over 5, that's certainly more than 2 pi, so they've gone around the circle a few times, realizing when we have our circle, one trip around, that's 2 pi, halfway around is a pi. So let's think of how we could figure this one out. Well, I look at 49 pi over 5, I'm looking for factors of 5. 50 pi over 5, that would reduce nicely, so I know that it's going to be less than 50 pi over 5. So how many times around the circle is 50 pi over 5? Well, 50 divided by 5, that's 10 pi. Takes 2 pi to get one trip around, so if I divide this by 2, I get that I've gone around the circle 5 times. Okay, that's if I had 50 pi, but I'm 1 pi less than that. So where I'm at is I'm a pi over 5, well, 1/5 of a pi short of going 10 times around. So a negative coterminal angle would be negative pi over 5. We'd be done. Cool. But they want a positive angle, so they're not going to accept this answer. But this is perfectly fine, right? It's a coterminal angle. So then what we want is we want the positive angle coming all the way around. So how far do we go? Well, this is 5 pi over 5. We're counting by fifths of a pi, right? That's halfway around the circle. To get the rest of the way, all the way to 2 pi, that's 10 pi over 5. We're 1 short, so let's subtract off this pi over 5. And what does that give us? 9 pi over 5. That is the answer we want right here, 9 pi over 5. And that's going to be the correct one. Now that we've got it, you could see, oh yeah, the other way to look at this is, if I kind of look what does 5 go evenly into, you could have seen 40, right? 40 pi over 5. That's 8 trips around, or well, not 8 trips around. It would reduce down to 8 pi, which would actually be 4 trips around, and then it'd be. Let's see, since I still have a 9 pi. So it would be 8 trips around plus 9 pi over 5. So maybe that's a little easier way to think of it. I can go either way. I could maybe go down to the even circle around, just figuring that this one went 4 times around plus the 9/5, or I can think, well, I went 5 times around minus pi over 5. Either way, we got it. So that's how you can figure out coterminal angles. Thanks.